The ingredients are carrot, habanero is optional, frozen peas and corn, shredded cabbage, chopped onion, shrimp is optional, 2 packs of noodles, salt to taste, canola oil or your choice of oil. I'm starting with the carrot and it has been cleaned. To chop the spice that I'm using. There is habanero, you can use any spice of your choice, and it's also optional. I'm starting with the shrimp, so the first thing is to put oil in the pot, maybe around 1 tablespoon. Just gonna sprinkle with some salt. All you need is for the shrimp to be pink on both sides. I have another clean bowl to add the shrimp. So add my onion. So I'm going to wait for it to turn translucent. The next thing is for my spice, which is habanero. Just leave for a couple of minutes. So the onion and the habanero are ready, so I will have the carrot, peas and corn. I will sprinkle with some salt. You don't want to add too much salt because of the seasoning in the noodles, so be careful with that. It's time to add the noodles and it's been broken into 2. If you like, you can leave it cool. I've had 1 season for now, and in case I need to add more, I'll do that. I have 1 mortar here ready to go. So I will cover and leave for a couple of minutes and come back to check it. I'll stir now. Add my shrimp because it was not properly cooked the other time. I will taste if I need to add more seasoning. Just a little bit. I'll let it continue cooking. I'm back to check our noodles cooking, and it's almost ready. So now I will add the cabbage. This all depends on the quantity you want. You can add more. Wow, our noodles is ready. It's just for us to go ahead and plate the dish. Our upgraded noodles is ready, and I serve this with my homemade baked chicken and this with boiled egg. You can see it looks delicious, and don't forget to share, like. I wish you happy cooking from my kitchen to yours.